Do you need a master's in robotics? Robotics is by all means a very interdisciplinary field which builds upon several concepts from mathematics like linear algebra, calculus, etc., mechanics, kinematics, dynamics, electronics, computer science, and so on. So essentially, to learn robotics, you would need to understand some of those fundamentals, and it does make sense that you do a master's in robotics after a bachelor's in, let's say, mechanical engineering, electronics, or computer science. If your bachelor's is in mechanical engineering and you want to establish a career as a mechanical engineer but in the robotics domain, you could simply apply for jobs in the robotics companies and essentially be a mechanical engineer in the robotics domain. However, as robotics is very interdisciplinary, it still does help that you have some foundational knowledge in the other domains that robotics builds upon. You could easily fill in that gap by taking up some additional courses, or better yet, taking up mini projects in several subdomains in robotics to get an overview of robotics as a field. If you're interested in getting started with learning robotics, I'm actually building a complete framework on how you can start learning robotics from scratch. This framework would be entirely project based and would allow you to explore and identify your interest and niche in the vast field of robotics. Feel free to check it out on the website learnroboticsandai.com.